But let's take a look, another look at the forecast. We're getting a little closer in our long-range forecast models to have a better idea of what we can expect on Eclipse Day. Now, there's the path that's outlined. Remember earlier this week we were talking about a trough of low pressure that's going to give us onshore flow? Well, that trough is going to be sliding a little bit further west, or it will be further west than what originally was thought. So even though we are expecting an onshore wind pattern, most of the cloud cover is probably going to be for areas out along the coast. This is good news if you're planning on viewing it from the I-5 corridor, and especially over eastern Washington. One of the places that some folks might head is Pacific City, Oregon. It's clear there now. However, you head just a few miles north in Astoria. Look at all the cloud cover. So if you are planning on heading to the coast, I think you're really kind of pushing your luck. You want to head over interior Washington if you want to see at least your best chance of seeing the total solar eclipse. For western Washington, the partial solar eclipse starts just after 9 o'clock. It goes all the way through 11:30, and we are expecting partly sunny to start, but by the time we get the best part of the solar eclipse, about 10:30 in the morning, looks like a mostly sunny sky and temperatures in the 50s, warming into the mid-60s. So overall, forecast looks good for us in western Washington to see this partial solar eclipse.